Hey guys, how's it going? Well, it's time to run the Kyosho Blizzard FR with all of its glorious lights on it. I put in a cab light for the guys, and I solved my brightness issue. So now I've got full power to those LEDs on the top. I still may get a light yet for the top to, you know, like a big bright spotlight or something. I'm still working on that, but I'm really liking how it lights it up out here. It'd be so nice if you guys could see how well it is, but it is actually really good. So let's push a little bit of snow. This is some fresh stuff that just came down yesterday and a little bit today. You know, in the right kind of snow conditions, the FR does a really nice job. Donut time. Still learning the controls, but I'm getting better at it. This way. Kind of weird too hard at the jumps like this, plus the ones in the blade. Anyways guys, I think that's about it for now. Looks pretty good. I'm really liking the headlights on there. It's so nice. And the cab light for the guys, and you can see them pretty clear. And just, it looks cool. And I love the blue strobe, and it really lights up the snow out here too, really nice. So, pretty decent. A lot more mods to come. Got to get metal tracks for this thing, metal support for the blade. Still thinking about that groomer for the back. I might get that, or I might do something a little different. We'll see. But certainly going to put a lot of mod parts into this that I can get, including those ball bearings and stuff. But anyways, stay tuned for more videos, as well as my review will be coming up on this thing very shortly too. In the meantime, have a happy new year guys, and catch you in the next one.